Yes.
Hi, good morning. Good afternoon,
Good,
sir.
good evening and good afternoon, ma'am.
Here it
Yes.
is good afternoon.
Yes, there is a good
Here
afternoon,
it is
but
good
here is good
afternoon.
evening. Yes. Right, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. How are
Mhm.
you, ma'am?
Okay, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine, ma'am. Just half an hour ago, I came from my office, and after coming to the office,
Okay,
I
anybody joined
opened the.
with us?
Actually, ma'am, IELTS section that first of all that I would like to discuss about your topic, particularly your topic, so that I will not share the link in the that
Okay,
group, right, ma'am? So
okay,
if
okay,
with
okay.
your kind information, then I am sending the group that anyone can join group, right, ma'am? Should I share?
Okay, okay.
Yes. So just
Yeah, you can.
only I shared only you because of I want to discuss some topic IELTS topic
Uh,
related so that you can give me so a lot of information about
okay, you
that
can.
and I can ask you
I
a lot
got
of
it.
questions. Yes. Right.
Uh,
After some time that we will share the
okay,
link in
okay, I
that group.
got it. You
Yes.
can.
Right. Isn't it, ma'am?
Okay, I got it. You can.
Yes.
Yes.
So as we are going to discuss about the IELTS related talk, and I have already what gave as
Okay.
my virtual background, isn't it? That means starting from that
Okay.
international English language testing system, right, ma'am? And I have what I seen
Okay.
several
Right.
questions. Yes, I have seen several questions, videos over on YouTube too. That actually really it is excellent, right, ma'am? So I want to know
Yes.
from you that how to express about that. Tell me something about yourself first, ma'am. And it is a very general question and asked by the board in the IELTS board. It is a very common and basic question, right, ma'am?
Okay. No. Okay. I'm from. I am Blessy Benz.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Continue,
hear
ma'am.
me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm clearly audible.
I am Blessy Benz, and I come from Kerala, which is situated in the southern part of the India. I have been living in Sharjah since 13 years. Now I have been working as a registered nurse in a reputed hospital.
Yes, thanks, ma'am. So it is your introduction. After that, actually many boards, those who are asking
It
about
is
the
my
question,
introduction.
yes, it is right, ma'am. You have rightly told about your introduction, right, ma'am?
Mm.
And apart from their personal
Mm.
introduction, they are also asking several questions that is depend upon their mode. I think that they have folded the laptop like this and they have what are putting the serial question and there is some part 1 part 2 part
Yes.
3 likewise they have been asking to the question,
Part three. Yeah.
right, sir? Right, ma'am?
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah.
In
Yes. You're
yes,
right.
after that they are giving some question and answer to the candidate instantly and please study and read the question for 1 minute. They have been given 1 minute or
Mm.
1.5 minutes, so prepare for that
1
question
minute
and
for
yes,
preparing
I
and
think
2 minutes in Q card. That means part two is one minute 1 minute for preparing and 2 minutes for the answer the question.
of course yes, right.
Mm.
And
So
it is
total 3 minutes.
total 3 minutes. During this three
Mm.
minutes, she or he has to express everything, detail.
Everything, everything
Yes,
within a
everything.
time limit.
Right. And
Mm.
there is a band. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
there is a ban.
what does it mean? What is band?
Means it and the examination band is up to 9. No, it is the maximum score is
Yes,
9.
maximum course is 9, right?
9.
Maximum score is 9.
If we get if we get 5 means we can understand the language, but we are in language barrier still.
Yes, right.
If we get 6 we are in intermediate level.
Yes,
From the 7 and above, it is excellent.
excellent, right. And
I
if
don't think no one can get 9.
But there are also looking some people are getting 8, 9, 9 out of 9 too. But it is
8 and 8.5 is it's okay, but I don't think. Yeah, I think like linguistics, it's are getting 9 band.
yes, of course, yes.
Those who are high professionals,
High professional
like
skill, of
scientists,
course, yes.
yeah, like that, and they are only getting 9 band.
9, yes. 9 but it is very difficult. It is too very difficult to
Even if
get,
the
yes.
native, yeah, even if the native speakers, they are preparing essay writing for 3 months, then only they are attending the IELTS examination.
Of course,
They
yes.
also need for the professional work.
Yes. I was watching a videos from Kerala, one of the girls, and she want to be a travel agent all over the world. So that she had appeared the IELTS examination. She had secured 8 went, right, ma'am. Yes.
Mm.
So I'm happy that
Mm.
Indian people are
Yes.
getting more than 8 went. Yes, we are not inferiors in from native speaker too, right? Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. So in their cases, they have been asking the question and they are watching that what is the fluency, how the that means a people is the examiner examining each preparing
Mm.
and how she or he is speaking in front of that board. That is the most important thing, I think so.
Yeah, some of them, if I am writing here, certainly for the speaking, I will get native speakers.
Yes,
So they will check our fluency. We
of
need
course.
intonation, like what can I say? Like music, there is intonation, no ups and
Yes,
downs, no.
yes, of
Like
course, yes.
that, we need to express our language.
Yes, and there are series of
For that, I
examinations.
think
Yes,
point five.
yes,
Uh,
ma'am. There are
for that,
series of
I
questions.
think point five. Point five.
Point 5 for which?
Mm. For the intonation, they will give point 5 mark, I think.
Yes, point 5
Then
for.
then lexical resource like idioms. All things they will check.
Yes, all things they say. And there are
Mm.
series of questions have been asked by them.
Yeah.
Right, ma'am. And here just I download from that IELTS the correct answer and band score from, and it is the
Mm.
minimum course is 2.5. I think that minimum mark
Yeah.
is
Yeah. Yes.
2.5.
Yes.
Then starting
Mm.
from 2.5 to up to 9, maximum is 90
Uh,
score
maximum
band
nine
is
is nine.
maximum, and
Mm.
minimum is 2.5.
5.
That means it is a
Mm.
very basic, I think.
Yeah.
Right, ma'am. Yes. So there are series of question and answer are available in internet.
Mm.
Right, ma'am. I was
Mm.
watching and I will download some
Mm.
video
Mm.
or it's a question answer too. They have written very nicely. Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
Yes,
Your
sir.
daughter might
Uh,
have calling you. Calling. Yes.
yeah. She came from outside.
Just she just came
She
from
went
outside.
outside with her dad, and she just came from outside, and she wants to show her toys, new toys.
And that's why she has come and mommy, yes.
Uh,
Wow, what is it? That is something happening, right, man? It is a very nice job.
yeah.
Yes, but
Mm.
I think that there is the daytime, so that there may be the very sunny in UAE, or just
Yeah, it
weather
is
condition
sunny
is very
because
normal.
it is not sunny day. It is boiling, boiling hot. Otherwise, we can say it's scorching sun.
A scorching sun, wow. That means actually, ma'am, actually you are also sweating. That your face is also like sweating. I think
Mm.
sweating is out
Yeah, no,
of your
I'm
history.
no. I put AC right now. I switched
Just
on the AC.
oh, sorry, ma'am. Just here is something is signing just on your cheek, so that I was thinking that it is just sweet. Yeah, sweet. Yes,
Okay.
right,
Hmm.
ma'am. So
Okay, what about the weather in your country right now?
no, it is normal. The weather condition is very normal, and temperature is
Mm.
just normal temperature.
Mm.
Right, ma'am. Yes. So
Yes.
Yeah, many people, so those who are well expert, they always recommended us that if you want to practice or if you want to speak very good English language, please go in front of the mirror and try to speak so that you can know anything.
Yeah,
It is
nowadays I am also preparing for the. Nowadays I am also preparing for that like that only. In between, I went through the YouTube and I will check the idioms and lexical resource for lexical resource for preparing the IELTS examination.
of course, ma'am. It is a very good job. But
But still,
now we are
yeah.
discussing about
But
that,
still,
that it
I
is a
have.
lie. It is a lie. I think that. But in both
Yeah.
questions, if I put a question and if you instantly give me the answer, yes, it is like a mirror. It is a live mirror
Yeah.
and it is
Yeah.
a lively mirror. It is a
Like a
lively
mirror.
mirror. Yes, it is a live mirror. But it
Yeah.
is, yes, when we watching
It
what
is
in
like
front of
mirror.
the, yes, we are watching directly in front of the
Yeah.
mirror. Just only we are. It is a mono act, but it is a collective act or a dual act,
Mm.
right, ma'am? And
Yeah.
it is also very good to think that if we invite anyone and discuss of a particular topic, so I think it is very good to things for the those who are learning some things, isn't it, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Certainly.
If there will be no student or no English speaking partner is available with us, then it is a good technique to go in front of the mirror and can you practice again
In
and
front
again.
of the mirror and speak and practice speaking.
Of course,
Owing
yes,
to
ma'am.
that, we will get confidence day by day.
Yeah, definitely we can build our confidence,
Mhm.
right?
But
And
for me, I get several people from several foreigners from my working place.
yes, you might have got a lot of
So
chance.
daily, yeah. So daily I interact with them. So owing to that, I get lots of lexical resource with them.
Very nice, ma'am. It is an excellent job. Those who try their best, definitely they can get the good platform ultimately, no problem. And in my department, in my
Yeah.
office too, I'm not getting any single person who can speak with me in English language. Though English, those they are officer, if I speak a single word, that they feel awkward, right, ma'am? Still I creating some
Yeah.
platform. I create some platform that how to speak in English language and how to develop myself as well as how to enable other to develop in spoken skill, right, ma'am? Yes.
Yes.
So yes, this is the format of now. I would like to ask you from your syllabus that how you have been prepared or how you have prepared for that particular topic,
Okay.
right, ma'am?
I got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So actually, the topic which is just sent to you, that is, or
Mm.
extra other things is also available in your topic.
Yes. Yes. Certainly.
Yes, there is a
We have two. Actually we have four section in for that. One, for the IELTS exam: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. If we are able to get good score in writing and speaking, we are able to speak writing and reading. We are able to speak fluently.
right, ma'am.
The only way of the speaking is listen every day.
Listen every day. Yes, good listening skill is
Listen
also
every day.
most important thing. But
Yeah.
in a 1 hour or half an hour, it is impossible to cover all the chapter. But we can cover it one by that if we discuss several days, right, ma'am? Or if taking a particular
Yeah.
topic, for example, today we shall discuss around 10 to 20 questions. Yes, ma'am. After that,
Yeah,
we can,
you can discuss. Yeah. In between
right.
it is disconnected.
Yes, internet is very unstable
In
then.
between it is disconnected. Yeah, interrupted. It interrupted.
Yes. So I had sent you. Let me check that question. Yes, ma'am. Yes. The-
You said about the reading. Yeah, you can
yes,
ask
yes,
some
yes,
several
yes. Sorry.
questions.
Yes, reading related. That means
Yeah.
first question is that do you often read like this question? Ma'am? Do you often read?
Yeah, like that. Like that only you prepare.
Yes. So if I ask that question, for example, I'm the board and I'm just conducting that examination, I put the question to you, that what your response will be. Do you often read?
Yes, I oftenly read the books because it gives me a great pleasure after my busy schedule.
Excellent, ma'am. Then what is your favorite kind of book you read?
Certainly, it is comics because through that I'm able to get enjoy funny and it give me a great relaxation.
Right, ma'am. And do you often read newspaper?
Yes, actually, honestly, nowadays I am not getting too much time to read newspaper because of my busy schedule. But when I get time, I would like to go through the notes, through the newspaper of mass media.
Of course, ma'am. And do you have any ebooks?
I don't have any ebook. I don't have any idea about that.
Yes,
Do
ebooks.
you have
Ebook.
any
Yes,
ebook?
definitely. Ebooks means electronically stored book. Isn't it? Ebook
Okay.
electronic means we download a book from internet, and while
Uh,
we read it, that is known as
okay.
ebook. Right, man? And
Okay.
that may
Okay.
be the audio book, that may be the what audio book, and or the printed book, or it may be the
Mm.
that it is if we study in a proper sequencely, right, man? But
Okay.
ebook is
Yeah.
generally that is known as electronically stored. So soft copy is that ebook. And
Okay.
what book did you read as a child, man?
As a child, many story books are available in my country, like Pumpata, Balarama, Balamangalam. It gives me great relaxation. In addition to that, it has vast knowledge about the world.
Yes, and all this book is it is that your local book.
Yeah.
Yes, very nice. And do you think and it is important to encourage children to read?
Certainly, because owing to that, it developed their IQ and EQ level. In addition to that, it developed their imagination day by day.
Yes. So only 6 or 7 question is written in your that reading skill, right, ma'am? Apart from
Yeah,
that,
this is
yes,
the part one question.
it is
This
a
is the
part.
part one question.
Yes, this is the part of the question.
And the second question is cue card. We need to give at least 2 minute answer. We need to give. The third section is discussion show topic. It is related from the cue card only.
Cue card. What do you mean by cue card?
Means 2 minute question.
Oh, if one question will be asked, then you have to keep in 2 minutes, within 2 minutes. That means it is
Yes.
elaborative.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's why we are calling cue card.
yes. So you have to explain detail about that question. I think that it is an explanatory question, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
That means it is a reading skill is going on, and one is that have you what do you often read newspaper? Yes. So from this
Yes.
newspaper, which content do you like the most from newspaper?
From the newspaper, maybe they will ask. Could you please tell me about about an interesting local news?
Interesting local news. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. That means everything
What was
regional.
that?
Yes.
It was why, how, what, like that question. What was that? Why you like that? How you felt about this?
Of course, yes. There may be the
Mm.
regional news, national news, and international news. There may be the games, sports,
Mm.
science,
Mm.
technology, as well as your obituary. Right, ma'am. So many
Mm.
things is given. So that means you like very much about that local news. What about
Yeah.
international news? Don't you like international
Okay.
news?
Yes, I like international news as well as the local news because it gives me knowledge from the surroundings or the look and corner of the world.
Of course, yes. Yes. And how do you read newspaper? How do you read a
I cannot
newspaper?
get from you.
how do you read newspaper?
When I get free time, when I get free time, that time only I am able to read the newspaper. But I wish to read every day. Unfortunately, I did not get time for that.
Of course, yes. So in order to complete it from page number first to page number last, that how do you study, how do you read the newspaper so that you can complete entire newspaper? Is it possible to completely study about newspaper in a single day?
No, 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 no. I am not able to complete. I am not able to read complete newspaper. I would like to read the news which is catchy titled news. I would like to read.
Yes, small. That means you overlook all the headlines that which topics would I
Yeah.
read that and which will be very fruitful for me. Right, man? Like
Yeah.
this,
Yeah.
that topic, that interesting topic, you generally study about that. Right?
Yeah.
And in the newspaper, that means there is editorial page.
Sorry.
Yes, editorial page. Editorial. Yes,
Editorial
every
page.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Every
Editorial or
newspaper is
opinion page. If you
opinion
read
page.
opinion or editorial page in 6 months, you will get vast knowledge about the vocabulary.
Of course, yes. From there, that we can derive that vocabulary and we can note down it on our note copy. After that, we can practice it. That how and which context it has used, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Certainly.
right, ma'am. And actually, generally now these days, are you a voracious reader?
Sorry.
Are you a voracious reader? Are you a
I
voracious
did not
reader?
get some.
Yes, voracious reader means what? I mean, that means actually you. How often do you read the books per day?
When I
Yes. Now these days,
when I get free times, then only I am able to read book. You what you told Boroses?
voracious reader means voracious reader, a voracious speaker. That means those who read
Could you
spontaneously, very speedily,
continuously,
yeah, continuously.
spontaneously?
Yes. If
Could you please spell that because I did not hear before?
yes, just voracious. 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 Voracious means yes.
VURACIOUS.
Right.
Okay, okay.
Voracious reader means those who want to or who loves very much of reading, who very much
Okay.
love very much of speaking. So he is a voracious writer, he is a voracious speaker, he is a voracious
Speaker.
reader. You can say that. That means
Okay.
those who are very interested to do that work. Right, ma'am?
Okay.
Yes. And as per your knowledge is concerned, that which part is most important in that what speaking sorry reading system, ma'am?
All the parts are more important in the IELTS examination.
Yes.
First, for the speaking, the first section, part 1, they will assess our language level.
Yes.
Actually, from that, they will get the idea about our language.
Of course, yes.
Then for the formality only, they are asking the second one and third part.
Second one and third part. And now, how much of syllabus you have covered in so far?
I have no idea about that. I covered many things.
Right, ma'am. And you send me, right? You send me, it's very nice, man. You send me only that what the photocopy of that. So have you purchased any books for IELTS preparation?
Yeah, I purchased a book, and also we can available that all books from the YouTube. You can search IELTS 1 to 14. I think it has 14 books.
Yes, I have seen that books are available in that Amazon also and internet. Yes, one can get. So I'm just asking that
Yeah, I
have you?
purchased
Yes.
I purchased several. several book. In addition to that, I went through the YouTube. I downloaded several books and I prepared for that. IS 1 to 8 is okay, but from the 9 it is too difficult to understand.
Yes, of course, yes.
Especially 10 and 11, 10, 11, 12. It is too difficult to understand.
Yeah. Yes.
Only linguistic can able to understand that type of language.
Yes, those who are very good at linguistic, they can understand, but all linguistic student
Yeah,
cannot be understand right this. Right, ma'am. It is not a good
yes,
part.
yeah,
It is a very tricky and I
and
just
tricky.
yes. So I have been watching the video, the interview video, that several thousand of people, selection and lakhs of people across the world are preparing for IELTS examination, but very meager or very few number
Yes,
of students are cracking that examination. I think so.
yeah. Mm.
Right, ma'am. So actually, which author's book you have been preparing now?
Sorry.
Which author's book? Is there a particular author for IELTS preparation?
British. It is from the British Council only.
Oh, British Council only. Yes.
From the British Council only. There is no particular author for that.
Yes.
They can they can give any topic for the IELTS examination, like science related, art related, and something traffic or like that.
Yes. So that means British Council is making some making books. Yes.
Mm.
And is British
Yeah.
Council's books available in the internet through Amazon or
Yeah,
Snapdeal or
internet
any?
from the internet you can available British Council. There lots of books are available there.
Oh, so there is no need to what purchase others book. Only if you what purchase that book, that anyone can cross the IELTS examination. But if he or
Yeah.
she will honestly prepare for that examination,
Mm. Yes.
right, ma'am? Yes, yes, ma'am. And
Still, still I have problem with the mother tongue because of the still I have problem with my speaking because of the mother tongue influence. In addition to that, I didn't get proper intonation for that. Moreover, I am suffering with idioms and phrases.
of course, and for that it is more requirement, more what needs to practice it. Yes, ma'am. And there is a what a Google ad is or a Google to ad, or I think that Google support. From that we can what speak, and whether the Google is correctly recognize our tone or not, we can check it. Right? We can test our tone, that
Yeah.
how we are speaking. And if there are some words, yes, for example, we are what uttering about a restaurant, right, ma'am, in our mother tongue. Okay, restaurant, but it is not a good pronunciation skill. Just restaurant, yes,
Yeah.
they are considered restaurant. Yes, so in the
Yeah.
British, they are uttering what their sound is different, and the American sound is different. Yes, and they put more emphasis. Yes. Oh,
Yes.
and their articulation, their mouth body gesture, they force very hard something, right, ma'am? So if we
Yeah.
practice taking a sentence or a word or sentences, that how they have been pronouncing that particular word. Yes. So
Yeah.
only one thing is required for us, that we have to practice a lot so that we can speak very
Practice
well.
only
Yes.
practice. Especially we need to practice phonic sounds.
Phonic sound, right, ma'am? Yes.
Yeah,
Right.
then only we are acquiring the good intonation for our pronunciation.
Of course, yes. And one of the famous writer from India, and she belongs from Kerala, international
Yeah.
English writer. Who is she, man? She has only one woman. She first woman she got Booker Prize, man of Booker Prize in English literature. She's a famous.
Arundhati,
Yes, Arundhati Roy.
Arundhati, right?
Right,
Yeah.
Arundhati Roy.
Those who has curling
Curly
hair.
hair, yes, curly hair.
Yeah, Arundhati.
Right, Arundhati
Arundhati
Roy.
Roy. Yeah.
You can see, ma'am, though she was staying in a very adverse condition, right? Now she is
Yeah.
internationally acclaimed person. How did she acquire that type of knowledge? Yes. though she did not study in a good English, good school or colleges, but her life
Yeah.
was so adverse condition. She did not able to get a good platform to.
I get to know from her when she was a child. She collected the old bottle and everything for surviving,
Yes, definitely.
and it sale and for her for their needs, for her needs.
Yes. And now these days she is the celebrity. Right now she is
Yeah,
celebrity.
now
Yes, celebrity in the world.
she's a celebrity.
Yes,
Yeah.
and now she is speaking very good, very nice English language. And if I have watched several of her interviews. She has revealed everything what had happened in her
Mm.
past life, and how now this day also she is in controversy, because she always try to speak about truth, what is happening.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
she does not support any particular political parties,
Yes,
and she is
certainly.
yeah, and she is what a social worker, and she always try to
She,
speak, yeah, try to speak about the problem of the society, problem of the
humanity,
peoples,
I think.
humanitarian. Yes, she is purely
Yeah.
humanitarian,
Yeah.
and she always try to
Try to
speak in
speak about the
humanity.
humanity.
Yes, humanity,
Yeah.
right. And those who are struggling for humanity, those who are presenting the common people's point of view with of other and opposing to the government in India, definitely that is something problematic.
Yeah.
Yes, uh,
Yes.
right. So she is a very inspiration ready, and I have also several her book. As being a English literature student, I love her book,
Mm.
God of Small Things. God of Small Thing, her
Yeah,
book
got a small thing.
is God of Small
It
Thing.
beautifully, it would beautifully he narrated, but I
He
did not
narrated, yeah.
read that. But I get awareness about from my friends. They said to me it was so captivating, so they couldn't put it down.
Yes. And that book got the Booker Prize.
Yeah, she got Booker Prize. Yeah.
Yes. So if she could do this work, so Blessing Ma'am also can do that work, ma'am.
How can I?
Right, ma'am. And particularly, I think that the Kerali are the storehouse
Yeah,
of
in
the
the
knowledge. Storehouse of the
yeah,
knowledge.
the 100% literacy skill.
Yes.
The all the people has 100% literacy skill. Even if my grandmother, she is able to read Bible, newspaper, and everything.
Yes. So now 100% literacy rate is obtained by only one state, that is Kerala. And now also
Yeah,
this is when I
every
came to
nook
know
and
that
corner we can see the entrance coaching in Kerala. Every nook and corner we can see the entrance coaching for preparing for the students for their higher studies.
yes, and most of the student and particularly the Kerala people are staying across the world, and maximum number of
Yeah.
yes, they you can find everywhere in America, Canada, Switzerland, Japan, and as well as UAE. There are full of people
There
you
is
can find. Yes.
there is a joke. There is a joke. If we go to moon, there also we can see the Keralians.
Kerala, yeah, definitely. It is rightly told to proverb.
Yeah.
Right, ma'am. And you might have thinking, you might have thought about that, you might have find your Kerala friend in UA too, I think so.
Yes, there is here lots of Kerala people have been living near my flat, in my working place, everywhere.
Yeah, so you are thinking that it is, yeah, it is my hometown. Yes, most of the people from our
Yes, certainly.
state. Yes, it is very
Certainly, I felt like that. Even if in my workplace, they don't allow us to speak in our mother tongue.
mother tongue.
But
And definitely you might
we are
you might
we
be
are
delighting
whispering.
you. Yes, you might be delighting.
We are
Wow, that,
whisper. We are whispering.
yeah. Really, it is a very nice job. Actually, once when I'm staying in other district. When I find the calendar, my district, there are 30 districts in my state. There are 30 districts in
Okay.
Odisha, and I belong from Kalahandi district and one of the remote district in Odisha state. And I am staying in the
Yeah.
capital city of Bhubaneswar, right, ma'am? And I
Yeah.
have been staying in the capital city of Bhubaneswar. And when I find the Kalahandian to come to my area, and I got very happy, right? And when I, that is the same thing. And when I was living in Mumbai or Delhi, I had gone to Mumbai and stayed there for 20 days or more than 20 days for moving here and
Yeah.
there. When I found the Odisha people, and those who are talking with me, that we feel very proud that yes, there is a Odia.
Yeah.
So if we feel happiness within our country, so you are staying in out of the country, and if you find that Kerala people particularly, how delightful you will be,
Yeah, certainly.
right, man?
Even if when I joined in my duty, I saw many Keralian staffs in my with me. They helped me a lot.
Of course, man. Definitely, the mutual cooperation
Mm.
will be there. Yes, mutual cooperation, and you will feel very happy, excited by doing that work. And you do not feel, definitely you will not feel that they are the outsider. You will feel they are the like our family member,
Yes, certainly.
right, man? Yes,
Certainly. You said truth.
yes. Uh, so right, ma'am. So see, here we discuss
Ye-
something particularly about your IELTS related. So in that group, we also
Mm.
discuss in the arise a question over there. Is it, ma'am?
Mm.
Because
Yes.
everybody are interested to speak English language. They want to improve their English language skill. And each IELTS
Mm.
is one of that internationally acclaimed language.
Ah.
Please, can you show me your baby, man? Yes,
Nande,
baby.
കാണിക്ക് സാറിനെ.
Hi, baby.
She purchased a new toy,
Wow.
so
A toy. What a
she
beautiful
is so
toy you have
happy
got.
today.
Yes. Can you show me your
Boy,
doll?
no girl. This is not
Yes.
doll. This is a piano.
Piano. Wow. Do you know that how to operate piano? Oh,
She
so
doesn't know about
happy.
that.
Excited. Yes. I have forgotten your name, baby.
Benita,
Benita. Benita.
say hi. Say
Okay.
hi.
Okay, stay blessed, baby. Hi.
Okay, go and play with
Yes.
her.
Right, ma'am. And just
Okay.
show your support comment. Someone had chat with you in that box. I can write actually, ma'am. I have 2 or 3 groups also, and in my Odisha group, I have been teaching to the student from the Odisha
Yeah.
across the Odisha, right, ma'am? And there are also
Um,
some people, those who have that mind, they take the number from that group and personally want to chat. I think that I feel awkward
mm,
that some people so in
mm,
system called me and Sunil bro, actually one of the person taken the number from this group that what we can do this thing, right, ma'am? So just
yeah.
I
Yes.
wrote a message, please do not take any number from that and for your channel. So it is the
Mm,
prior approval must be
mm.
required, right? So
Yes,
if
it
we
is. Yeah.
yes, if we talking and if they will come in the group and discuss, after discussing then we will be familiar there, and after getting familiar that you ask ma'am, could you please give me your number or can I chat with you, and if your
Yeah.
approval is be there, if you interested, yes, you can take, then one can chat, that will be okay, no problem,
Uh, okay.
right, ma'am?
Right.
So yes, otherwise it is very difficult to handle the group also. And
Mm,
one one of the what a member of that group also what a link, so can you make me the admin, right ma'am? And if several admin will be there, then also it is just problematic.
Yeah, there is a problematic.
Yeah, so frequently anyone can change any type of what their dp as well as that content as well as that writing thing. So it is not good, that's why I did not
It is not
let
good.
him. Yes, right ma'am. And
Okay.
I have decided that yes, it is a
Mm.
initial stage. Just instantly I thought a plan. When I saw in that group,
Okay.
I was not in that group, actually I had no idea about that. When I started texting about that, but I love speaking and I love listening to,
Yeah.
right ma'am? So if virtual or in WhatsApp or in Facebook, if we write that its speaking skill will be also, sorry, writing skill will be increased. So in order to develop our spoken skill, then it will be very good thing that if I can conduct to the spoken English as well as our school program. So why
Yeah.
we can do this platform? That's why I instantly created that group. Yes, I had no idea, just English speaking group. I thought international English speaking group. I had written like this,
Mm.
and yesterday I thought no. Actually, if I want to professionalize it for a longer period
Mm.
of time, then there
Yeah.
must be a good logo, there must be the
Mm.
identity, and there must be a good
Mm.
name for long
Yeah.
period of time. Yes, many
Yeah.
people will be going,
Yes.
many people will be entering, many people will be exiting. It is not a matter, it is generally happen.
Mm.
If the Rashtrapati will be
Mm.
created a group, definitely people will be
Mm.
ordered. The liking people will be there, disliking people will be there,
Yeah.
right ma'am?
Right. Right.
Yes, but and it is also depend upon that variety people, what variety kind of people will be there. Many people opinion are what opinion are not same,
Mm.
right ma'am? So in these cases, that how
Yes.
to, yes, I have no idea that how to handle that international people. Just
Mm.
I have a group, there are more than 200, 300 people in my group, in WhatsApp group ma'am. So they are child, I'm
Mm.
a teacher there, so that I have been teaching them,
Mm.
so student can easily obey
Mm.
my words. But now
Mm.
it is a,
Yeah.
yes, lot of professional, lot of what a highly,
Mm.
I'm a child in this group, I think that. Right.
Right.
But I'm really, but I'm delighting. I'm very happy. I'm feeling very happy. No, feeling very happy.
Mhm.
Yes, everybody have their problems. Yes, ma'am. That means everybody has their positivity, negativity,
Honestly, I feel immense
weakness.
pleasure to join with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Honestly, I feel immense pleasure to join with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, I'm also very delighted and very happy to find
Mm.
like you,
Mm.
like a dynamic person too, ma'am. Actually, I have never in
I don't
before.
think
Yes,
I don't think I am a dynamic person, but I need to become like that.
definitely you will be, ma'am. Yes, of course, yes.
Mm.
No matter what it will be, but though there is a disturbance is happening, right? I'm engaging in that social media too. Actually, during
Mm.
I'm for excitement, for happiness, I always engage in this type of activity. But I'm not preparing. I'm not able to prepare for my IAS examination. Simultaneously, I'm
Mm.
preparing for my IAS examination, civil service examination
Mm.
is there. There in
Mm.
10 of October 2021.
Okay.
Yes,
Mm.
I have
Okay.
spent more than 10 lakh rupees for preparation of that all type of examination. But
Okay.
the I may not be, but I give all the answer question. I may not be available in all the time. At that time, anybody can be take over that what discussion. It will be very good, right, man?
Mm.
And
Right.
I will be part of that discussion, right, man? Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes. So I think that 45 minutes is over. After some time, it may be disconnected at any time.
Uh, uh,
ma'am.
and which nowadays how you have been preparing for the speaking, not the, for the listening. What you have been listening during these days?
During this, that actually I'm improving my speaking skill too, because I have completed my master degree in English as well as BEd, Bachelor
Mm.
of Education, and I have qualified CTET
Yeah,
Central
I got
Teacher
it.
Eligibility Test
Mm.
and
Mm.
Orissa State Secondary
Mm.
Teacher Eligibility Test. One day I will be a
Okay.
teacher. Definitely I will be a teacher. Right, ma'am.
Okay.
I may, yes, I may qualify UPSC civil service examination or not, I don't know, because it is the toughest examination. It is depend upon me and my preparation. Actually, I'm
Mm.
getting hardly little time. I have to
Mm.
spend more than 8 to 10 hours in my office.
Yeah, you need to spend. Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
Then also I am preparing. So if I will be
Mm.
a teacher, what type of teacher I would be? What type of teacher I would be? If I will be, I would not have a
If
vast
you will
knowledge.
be a teacher, if you will be a teacher, you need a lot of passion. In addition to that, you need a lot of dedication for that. You need to lot of like, and you need a lot of ability to understand your students.
Of course, yes, ma'am.
In
That's
my perception.
thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, I'm what getting happiness from here that I'm getting connected with the several people across the world, so that
Mm.
it will be what obtained by myself with the vast knowledge across the world, right?
Yeah.
For example,
Mm.
that I have connected with you through this media, through this
Mm.
channel. So you can
Mm.
one day you can what make me clarify about that UAE there, because we don't know anything about that UAE. Just we have seen
Mm.
in internet, and we have seen that there are a lot of what it is a developed country and so thing.
Mm.
But you are there
It is a
and
metropolitan country. It
yes,
is a metro city.
metro city, obviously.
Yeah.
So you are staying there that you have the better idea that what are the
Yeah, I
problem
have
faced
better
by
idea
you,
about that.
right, ma'am? And in
Mm.
internet or in other people generally they do not speak true, right? Whatever
Yeah.
I may be, whatever I may be, what problem I'm facing, I will not reveal anybody else in through social media, right, ma'am? But I
Yeah.
know very well that what type of problem I have been facing by staying in there. As I'm staying 500 kilometer away from my native house, right, man?
Okay. Mm.
So I know very well that what type of problem I'm facing staying 500 kilometer away from my house. And if I stay
Mm.
at my house, how I enjoy at my house, it is not to me, right, man? And you are staying so 1,000 kilometer away from your native place.
Native plus, but I'm so happy here because my kith and kins are here only.
Yes, definitely, definitely. You might have been happy because of your, so what you have been staying with your family. Your husband is there, your child is
Mm.
there, and
Mm.
you are doing a good job. Your sir is
Yeah.
doing a very good job. Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Yes.
Right. Today, one of the student or one of the person from Bangladesh, he told me.
Mm. Mm.
He told me if you will be given, if you will be the given love and money, which one you will choose?
Love. If
Yes,
if you choose love, certainly the money will come. The money will follow the love.
right. So is it possible to what for one can be as both is very essential for the existence of the life, for the leading of the happy life, right, man?
It's possible.
Yes, it will be
Uh,
possible if
through money, we are not able to purchase everything. We are not
yes,
able to get anything through money.
yes, through money. But if we have plenty of money, then 90%
Mm.
more than 90% my 90% problem can be solved over there, right, man? That you have been earning good money, lucrative money, sir is your
If
order
if
money.
if I if I earn if I have good financial support, it aid me to live modern life. But
Modern
through
life,
money, we are
yes.
not through money we are not able to purchase love, affection, and kindness, and several
Yes,
milk of human kindness like that. Something we are not able to purchase.
not
The
able
value
to.
of the family, like that. Something we are not able to purchase.
Yes, definitely.
It happened through the love. So when when love compared to money, in my possession, love is important to everyone.
Definitely, man. Very important. Yes,
Yes.
and in that means, and another thing is that if suppose if I marry a girl, if I will marry a girl, and if I do not have money, and she want a beautiful sari from me, and if I do not able to purchase a sari to her, how our affection will be at that time?
Did you listen? Did you listen about the Catherine Cut's hair? The story about the Catherine Cut's hair.
Kadari Kacha, actually I have not heard.
Catherine Cut's hair.
No, can you
When I
explain?
was when I was a child, I learned the story about. Years ago, a man lived in a village, and his wife's name, Kadare. She
Kadari.
has long, beautiful hair.
Yes.
One day, her birthday came. At that time, her husband wished to purchase a beautiful watch to her.
Yes.
But she did not. But he did not have enough money for that.
Yes.
Finally, no, her husband wished to give a beautiful hairpin to her,
Hairpin to add.
hair
Yes.
clip to her,
Right.
and he wished to give a beautiful watch to him. But what the Catherine did? Catherine cut her beautiful hair and she sold that, and she earned that money, and she purchased that beautiful watch and gave to her husband.
Husband. Right. I have a very nice story. Yes, ma'am. I have read this story. Right. So this is indicating the love and affection between their mutual love.
Yeah,
Right, ma'am.
yeah.
Yes. So it is both is very essential. Right. But in the ultimate,
Both are very essential.
both are very essential. Right.
Mm.
So very nice, man. When it is 1 hour past, we did not able to know that really, and the time seemed to be
Yeah.
seem to be very congested and very that means very shorter of the time. We
Okay.
talked constantly 1 hour.
Yeah.
Right, man.
Yeah,
There are
I
several
think.
topics that, and
Mm.
one thing is that, ma'am, actually I'm also fumbling, stuttering, stammering while I'm talking
Okay.
with that. Yes,
Initially you public, but in my possession, you are not mediocre in that language, in the language skill. So then you get confidence and you speak continuously. For me, still I am fumbling.
yes, definitely. And this is the problem happening, and I'm also taking a lot of pause while I'm speaking in English language, right, ma'am? And
Yeah.
yes, and what problem or what problem I'm facing, that which what did you pointed out of my speaking? Did you point out that my problem over there?
I found some grammatical mistake from your speaking. It happened naturally. And, for me, it happened sometime because if you said both is, actually it is
Are
plural, no?
plural,
Both
yes,
means plural, no? So you can use both are.
yes, definitely,
That only I found. Then I did not find anything. You can
yes,
tell me about
definitely,
my speaking style.
definitely. Yes, and did you notice yourself that when you are talking about a girl, but using he, three or
Yeah.
four times you use he.
Probably I
And
get this problem. He and
yes,
she.
and when you started using her, at that time you use his,
Yeah.
right, man? So this is,
Yeah.
yes, in spoken English, I can understand, and the listener will be automatically understand that what is going on, right? Actually, which context
Yes.
he is using, and he is was telling he instead of she. So why this is happening? This is happening because of our lack of practice, right? We know
Yeah.
very
It
well,
happened because of our lack of practice.
right, man? We know very well that where to
Mm.
use he and where to use she. I know very well
Yeah.
that where to use is and where to use are.
I know, but when I am speaking, the problem will start.
Yeah, when we start digging,
For
the
the
problem
writing,
will start.
it's okay. I can write continuously. I can write continuously, but I am not able to speak without any interruption.
Of course, yes, ma'am. Why this is because we do not find time. We do not find time in the speaking.
Yeah.
But while we're writing, that our
Yeah.
mind is going, our mind is in process. Just we cannot write. If I speak
Yeah.
spontaneously what I'm speaking, can you write what is constantly? If I speak continuously, if you speak continuously, I can speak. You have to take part.
Yeah,
Okay,
we can speak,
I
but because of the lack of practice, we are not able to speak confidently and conveniently.
conveniently, right, man? But we do not get time while speaking. We do
Yeah.
not time to find our thinking.
Yeah.
Yes, it is spontaneously overflow from our mouth. So sometime we
Yeah.
are using each in place of are in place of each. Right, man? This is
Yeah.
something, yeah.
Also, I found one more thing. If and if and will
Yes.
not use together. If you use if, no need to use will.
Yes, if it is a
You
conditional
can use.
sentence, it is a conditional sentence. There are three conditional,
Mm,
four conditional sentence, zero conditional,
mm,
conditional one, conditional
mm,
two, conditional three. There are four.
mm,
So
mm,
if I speak, if I
mm,
speak English, I will improve.
mm.
One is that
Yeah,
if clause,
that mm,
another is that possibility.
yeah, yeah.
But
Now I got it.
right, I can speak that if I will. No, it is incorrect.
It is incorrect.
It is incorrect. If I speak
Mm.
English regularly, I will be a good
I
speaker.
will improve. That is correct.
That is correct. Right, man.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
that condition sentence, we have to memorize that four type of conditional and extra two type of conditioning sentence.
Mm.
That extra sentence. But
Yeah.
broadly divide that conditional sentence if plus conditionally sentence. So we have to
Mm.
follow the rule and regulation of the grammatical rule.
Yeah. We need to follow certainly.
Right, and if we follow just once, if we study that, if we do not practice in speaking,
Mm.
if we do not use that in practical way, definitely same
Mm.
mistake will be happen throughout of our life,
Yes, certainly.
right? And I had put a question over WhatsApp Facebook group. I am Dex
Mm.
the ground playground, I am Dex the playground, and on
I
at
am at
in,
I am at the playground.
man.
I am at the playground, right?
I'm
I
at the
am
playground.
at the
I'm
playground.
on the playground. I'm in the playground. Which sentence is correct?
In my perception, I am at the playground.
Yes. Is there any grammatical rule for that? At will be there.
Yeah, we can say the places in front of the places we can add at, right?
Right.
In front of the place, time, then what?
Time, place, time.
Yeah,
Yes.
time, place, I think.
Yes. Time, place. On is also used in the time and place too. Yes, ma'am. In also,
Sorry?
in is also used in time and place.
Yeah, I am at the hospital. We just went there. I am in the hospital means I admitted there. You got
Admitted
it?
there. Right. Got it. Yes. So in which
Got
context
it?
I am telling, yes, got it, ma'am. In the hospital employee is what is saying that you are in hospital. But if I visited to that hospital,
I
I
am
am
in
going to the
hospital
hospital.
means I am in hospital means I already I admitted in the hospital. I am
Yes,
at the hospital, just I visited there.
definitely. Right. In that means it is indicating the profession. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
If one will be the teacher and he is teaching
Yeah.
in a school, isn't it, ma'am? And for
Mm.
teacher, the sentence
Mm.
will be different. The visitor, the center will be another thing.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Yes.
So yes. So I think that in that question, two question will be take because I does not define which context it is applied. I am I am dash the playground. I am at the
Yeah.
playground. So I refer. I does not clearly indicate what. Anyway, so several people just wrote at, in, at. So I got confused and I got confused.
I am in the playground means already I am playing there. I am playing cricket like that. I am playing any type of play. I am at the playground means just
At the
I
playground,
stand
yes,
there simply. I think I deem like that.
right. Yes, but मैं क्या ना मैं प्लेग्राउंड के ऊपर खेल रहा हूँ. मैं प्लेग्राउंड के ऊपर खेल रहा हम
ऊपर
प्लेग्राउंड
खेल रहे
तो वो लोग ऐसे भी सोच
ने,
सकते हैं लेकिन तो हम प्लेग्राउंड के अंदर तो नहीं खेल सकते हैं ना. We can't play inside और एक boundary complete boundary will be given. Complete boundary will be
yeah.
given. At that time we can
Mm,
use that I am in the
mm,
playground because the fence is given there. There is a proper boundary
yeah.
over there across the playground. At that time we can
Mm.
say in the playground.
I really I got confusion about this.
And because this is the element and grammatical. In which context
Yeah.
it is used, uh, in will be given, at will be given in
Yeah.
examination.
Both are same, but according to the condition, right?
Right. So at that time it is tricky to find out that correct one.
Yeah.
Right. So nice to talk with you, ma'am. I'm very happy and excited to talk with
Okay.
you.
Next day, certainly you please invite me to your Zoom meeting. I have continuously, I have off these 5 or 6 days because of the Ramadan season, because of the Bakrid festival.
Yes, ma'am. At night,
Mm,
actually, the internet connected were also not good there. In
mm,
right, so I
mm,
just asked my friends this Geo5. So when I
mm.
connect this Geo5, it is very good internet connector.
Yeah,
And generally,
yeah.
I connect from my mobile phone. So
Mm,
throughout early in the morning, I wake up and I started searching in YouTube or so my
yeah.
internet. So more
Mm.
every day I am finishing more than 10 4 GB of data.
Okay.
So at the evening, all data is exhausted. Okay.
Okay.
So there is a sometime I face problem, and after a recharge, also the recharge option is also not working.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, actually, I need to go to office now. So, thank you so much.
Okay, you can.
And
You can. And
I think
we
that
will see you again tomorrow.
definitely, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Then
Mm,
I also shared in this group so that we can interact it with that other people. Right, ma'am?
yeah. Mm.
Nice to talk with you, ma'am. I'm very really happy and
Okay,
excited.
thank you and same to you. See you again with the next new topic.
Okay, ma'am. Namaste and
Okay,
have a
bye.
nice
Namaste.
day.